episode of Home Buyers Academy. I'm joined by Vicky from Design Cube.
Hi, Yang.
Hi. So today we're going to talk about vinyl plank. So Vicky, for us we have a new standard for flooring.
That's right.
And that's vinyl plank, this material right here.
Correct.
So what is vinyl plank?
So Sterling now offers a luxury vinyl plank on the entire main floor of your home. And basically what it is, it's 100% PVC vinyl throughout the material, and it's made to resemble a wood or a tile.
Okay, so tile for the upstairs bathrooms as well?
Correct. So on your upper floor, in your bathrooms and a laundry area, if you have one in the floor plan you chose, you would also have that vinyl plank product as well. Most people would prefer probably a tile look in their upper bathrooms, and most people then for the main floor would prefer the wood look, but they are both standard.
Awesome. So for our old standard, we have laminate on our main floor.
That's correct.
Okay, and we're switching to this vinyl plank material.
Yes.
What are the benefits for that switch?
Okay, so when we're talking about vinyl plank in the residential world, in the past, 5-ish or more years, the innovation of it has really exploded in the residential world. So it feels more like a wood than it ever did before. So the resemblance to a wood product is still there, but you have a couple other benefits to it that beat hard surfaces. It is, for one thing, softer than your hard surface floors like laminate or hardwood. It's warmer. It's also more acoustically sound. So hard surface floors like hardwood or a laminate can give you a really hollow sound when it's being walked on. Your vinyl plank won't do that. So it is more acoustically sound. It's also super, super durable. It's pretty much a commercial grade product, so it's really difficult to damage, very difficult to scratch or gouge. So it does perform a lot better in that sense than your hard surfaces flooring would.
Okay, and then you talked about sound dampening and warmth.
Yeah.
So this is really good for the basement as well.
Very good for basements. Anything below grade, a vinyl plank or a vinyl tile performs really well. We're seeing a lot more basement developments and a lot more legal suites than what we used to see. So this is a great product to have below grade as well, not just on your main floor or your upper floor.
Awesome. So durable, waterproof,
Yep.
almost lifetime.
Yes, it could last a lifetime. As long as you're taking care of it, this product will last you a lifetime. You're more likely to change it because you're changing the look of your house or doing some renovations than the fact that you've outgrown or outlasted the product itself.
So that's why we put this, so we want your house to last forever.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vicky, for joining us and talking about vinyl plank today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and so if you want to see this product, we have a preview night available every Thursday, right?
That's right. So the Design Center has an open house every Thursday from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. So feel free to come on down to that. Everybody's welcome, and we can show you all of the vinyl plank and other products that Sterling has to offer.
Awesome. We'll see you there.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Home Buyers Academy presented by Sterling Homes. Don't forget to subscribe below and click on that bell button so you get a notification for every time we post a new video. Thank you.